Hi guys, it's Tony. I'm just showing you friend's Sharp microwave. Actually, I've got some beans in at the moment, but basically, I don't know where to describe really. I mean, you've got all the functions on it, right? I'm gonna bring up the model number on it and stuff like that. Like you've got all, like, you know, pizza, popcorn, frozen vegetables, and it looks nice, but this all feels really cheap. Inside it's not too bad. It's got a reasonable area for cooking. Let's take a look at the back. Got all sorts of shit on here. I'll have to dig out the actual mod. That's what the side of the back. But yeah, Sharp microwaves. What lets this down is two things. I think, obviously, I'll take this off so you can see. I think essentially, it just feels plasticky. I like something that's a metal chrome finish that is metal. This as well is just so just crappy. I've got a DeLonghi, and it's so much better than this. So I'll do some more cooking anyway. 2 seconds. So I'm just going to reheat these sausages up. So essentially all you do is, I just do this, start, and then it bungs it on. But I don't like this. I mean, this thing, I like it where you turn the knob, it just does the time, and you press start, and it's away. That just feels false. I didn't even think that was working. It just looked like a sticker. But I'm not impressed with this Sharp model at all. In fact, I'm not impressed with Sharp full stop. I think they're just cheap looking. You know, I would personally get something with a metal finish to go for DeLonghi. But that's just my personal view. It does cook all right. I can't knock it from that. But no, I'm not really a fan. So you know, it really cooks well. You know, can't fault it there. It's just the aesthetics on it. So that's what it looks like all the time. It just looks like someone's got a sticker on it. I'm afraid that's a 5 out of 10 for me. But you guys be the judge. You might be thinking about buying one of these online. You know, I hope this helped you out. Thanks for watching. Catch you later.